Yo, what's up, Team RTT? How you all doing? Hope you guys are doing good and wonderful. So thank you very much for checking on us today. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to tell which account to trade. Should you trade bigger account or should you trade smaller account? Which one is actually very good for you as a beginner trader or as an advanced trader or as even an intermediate trader and all of that. So if that's what you want to know right now, please make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to share with you guys some tips and tricks how you can actually trade smaller accounts at the end of this video. So yeah, with that being said, let's get straight into the video. I don't want to waste any of your time, guys. Yeah, so let's go. All right, there we go, guys. So the first one that we're going to be starting with is we are going to start with smaller account size. All right, so let's take for example you have from $50 to $200. Yeah, you can only raise maximum of $200. All right, so if you only have $50 to $100 or to $200, then you deposit that into your broker, which is going to be a regulated broker. Not all these brokers that you see online and all of that are regulated. So make sure the broker you are choosing is regulated in case of if something goes wrong and all of that, right? Because you always have to play safe, guys. Even if we know that forex industry is very risky, but you still have to know how you can actually play it safe and all of that, right? So the first step is actually looking out for a regulated broker and all of that. So if you deposit $50, or let's just take for example, if you deposit $100, right? So you depositing $100, then making 10% profit target, consecutively every month and all of that. Of course, you can't make 10% monthly and for one good year, guys. That's not possible. It's not possible. 10% every day. 10% every month for 12 months. Nah, I've not seen that because I've been trading now for the past 8 years and definitely I've not seen anybody making 10% profit targets for the whole year, and that's 120% return for 1 year. That's not possible. It's not possible, guys. So except maybe if you make it this month, next month you might be negative or you might be break even. All those kind of things definitely happens in the forex industry and all of that. So if you have $100 deposited into your broker and you're trying to flip that particular account, believe me, guys, you might end up blowing it, right? You might end up blowing it, and at the end of the day you might end up saying forex is scam, this and that. All right, so I'm going to share the advice I have for you what to do with that your small account size at the end of the video, right? So if you have it, you can deposit to your broker, or let me just say it right now, or you can actually buy proprietary firm accounts. That is even the best way to do it. Buy pro firm with that $100, that's going to give $10,000 account and all of that. So if you have $10,000, make sure you are able to pass this account, pass the account, and make, even if it's 5%, which is $500, then withdraw it. Definitely you can decide to buy $100,000 account from there and all of that. So let's go down to what if you have a bigger account. Say you have $10,000 to $50,000 in your cash. So it's still applicable to the small account size. Look out for a regulated broker still. And definitely believe me, guys, some of these brokers, once they see that you deposit $10,000 to $50,000 into it and all of that, they might decide to be following you. There's something we call A book trading and B book trading. I don't know if you guys understand what we refer as A book trading and B book trading. That's another topic for another video. So I'm not going to actually explain what is A book or B book trading right here on this particular video today. So if you have $10,000 to $50,000, you look out for a regulated broker, deposit it and all of that. And of course, if you cannot actually make 10 to let's say 10% every month, so it's going to be very difficult for you to actually try to grow that your $10,000 account that you deposit into your broker. All right, so what I'm trying to say here now is that you can actually take, if it's not up to $10,000, you can decide to take $6,000 or $7,000. Then this is an advice for you. Then buy $500,000 account, or you can decide to buy $200,000 different places. Buy up to 5. That's $1 million account. Try as much as you can to pass some of this account that you bought. Definitely, you will not tell me that you pass all 5 together and all of that. You might end up passing maybe 3 out of that 5 account. So if you pass 3 out of 5, you are still winning. All right. So the only thing you need on those 3 accounts is you just have to make like, even if it's 10% for like 1 to 2 months. So if you're able to make like 20% in 3 months, then you are still winning. 20% of $200,000 account, you know how much is that? That's about $40,000. Then 40,000 times 3, that's $120,000. So, if you understand what we are doing, or if you know what you are doing, definitely, guys, to make money in the forex market using proprietary firm trading is very simple. Very, very simple. The only thing you have to do is, get your mindset right, know the right thing to be done, and of course, just know the right thing to be done. You don't need any gigantic strategy or one massive stuff to be profitable and all of that. Even if you are not able to make like 10%, make 1 to 2%. 2% per withdrawal. You know how much is that? 1% on $200,000 account, that is $2,000. 2% is $4,000. So let's say you are getting 80% of that. And if you are getting 80% of that, you are getting $3,200 from that 2% payout. So $3,200 multiplied by, let's say in a month you are able to make like 2 withdrawals. So that's 4%, right? So that's $6,400. $6,400 multiplied by 3, you know how much is that? So you can actually grow and scale up to even $5 million, $10 million in challenge or in funded accounts and all of that. So that's how you can actually scale out your way when it comes to like forex trading. So you can actually apply this method and make sure you stick to your own plan, guys. Sticking to your own plan will actually help you a lot in not blowing your account. So it's very important you do all these things and all of that. So with that being said, guys, thank you very much. I will see you guys in our next video. And of course, if you find this video very helpful, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well, so that whenever we upload a video, definitely you'll be the first person to get it and all of that. So with that being said, I'm Israel the Trader. I will see you guys next time.